was the last time you ever left? Tried to change, but you had made up your mind. You and me in Oklahoma had died. I remember it pouring like crazy that night, but I tried to forget the rest. I never liked the lightning, could feel it hit right inside me. My love for you is one last cigarette, and I might be dying. I might be dying. Everyone smiles and they all say, save your tears, girl, you're just at that age of moving and leaving and making mistakes. Don't you let him define you. But they weren't there when we'd fall asleep, and they weren't. I walk in slowly, got eyes for you only. Gotta know, gotta see it through. My heart beats faster, my neck's disasters and stony eyes that belong to you. And your breathing's a lovely sound, and we're all alone now. My hand's shaking.